Alright, y'all, so I was out in the Ann Arbor, Brighton area here in Michigan today. I had a few doctor's appointments and things I had to take care of. So I looked up a hike around here and I found Birdie Land. What is Birdie Land? We gonna see. Look at the scenery when we pulling in. I can't wait to show y'all guys what's going on here. I hope it goes as planned. All of this is located in Kensington Metropark. So as you can see, as we venture through the park to where we're going, there's all kind of beautiful landscape and scenery all around us. So yeah, I can't wait to hop out of here and show you guys what's going on. Here's the nature center while we rounding the curve, eh? So if you don't bring peanuts and sunflower seeds at this location, you can walk to the nature building up here and buy yourself some. So that's just a hint of what we'll be getting into today. So we got all these little cool animals here. There's a little chipmunk. A nice lady gave me a bag of chickadee bird feed, so I don't have to go into the nature center to buy anything. I'll be able to enjoy myself and feed the birds. So let's see, we got a nice swan here. They told me don't try to feed the swan or they'll charge me. So little red-tailed hawk here. See if I can move around and get a better view of it. What's up? What's up, big dog? You huge. All right then, I see you in there. Okay. They be letting you out of here? Huh? They be letting you do your thing, or you be in captivity all the time? What's up? Let me know.
I feed these in the water over there at the boardwalk.
It's so beautiful. I love it. Here.
There we go.
All right, you guys have a great day. Easily one of the most beautiful parks I've ever had the pleasure of visiting, especially on a nice day like today. It's about 71 degrees today. It was rainy, so now it's a little humid, which is bringing up that temperature. So even though it's 71, it feels more about 75. Slight breeze over there. But yeah, nature sounds on full display for your boy. Colors is on boom today. Like I said, it just rained, so everything's feeling good and refreshed. Making use of marshes, eh? Humans and other animals have found clever ways to use the sedges, grass-like plants growing in these wetlands. Yep. Amazing. Bunch of water spiders in here. See what's up at the top of this mound up here. Pretty steep climb. Look at this beauty. Amazing, dude. Oh my God. Unreal. I gotta give it some more food. What up, though? Just don't peck my eyes out, bro. I'm good people. On game. I'm good people. You feel me? I just trying to check the way you look. You know what I'm saying? We don't get these kind of views in the city. You feel me? So, hey, I'm just thankful. You feel me? I appreciate you for extending it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Perfect. So this is talking about how imagine a layered pyramid. This stream is a foundation. Leaves dumped from the trees form first layers. Their decay provides food for small insects, snails, and leeches. These animals in turn are eaten by larger aquatic insects like stonefly, dragonfly, nymphs. Some of these insects are immature and will emerge to become flying adults. So that trail I came in on was called Deer Run Trail. This trail I just moved on to is about I think it was 2 miles. So this is going to be Chickadee Trail here. So I just wanted to see what was over here at this little rest area. You feel me? Never know, you might see some salamanders or some snakes or something hanging out. So I like to see all that I can see. You feel me? Like, if I'm gonna be out here, I'm trying to see everything I can see, you know. We ain't just gonna be out here just, you know, skipping over views, you feel me? So far on Chickadee Trail, I haven't seen too many birds. I haven't really stopped either. I was trying to hustle up on this end. But yeah, things are still blossoming on this side, booming, doing their thing. This is probably the one trail loop that actually makes you work out the most though. I actually got a nice sweat built up, breathing a little hard, you feel me? Nice little elevation and little hills here and there, so, you know. So it's here a fish-free sanctuary. So this thing is just filled with many different reptilians, you feel me? We got spotted salamander, the eggs. To frogs and salamanders, this place is worth finding. For part of the year, it is a pond, a great place to lay eggs. The hundreds of offspring that hatch will spend a few short months growing and changing. Tadpoles are clumsy swimmers that are bound to the water until they transform into adults. You know, y'all know about frogs, man. I ain't finna read all that, but you know, documentation is key. You feel me? It's almost 4:30. We're at 13, trail marker 13. Now, I'm supposed to go this way, but as I've been on this trail, I don't think I'm gonna miss out on anything today in particular. So I'm gonna skip that. We're gonna cut through here, come back out here, and then I'm gonna try to catch these other two trails, so that way I can say that I pretty much caught everything, except that back half, because I'm definitely bringing the kids back here without a doubt. So let's get it. Little post up spot, you feel me? Yeah, nice little place to catch you a breeze. Yeah. To snag this woodpecker, but he ain't messing with me. OG lady told me that the way to snag the woodpeckers is hit them with the peanuts. They actually like peanuts, not this bird feed. So big old turkey over here, you feel me? Finna try to feed this turkey. Let them know it's all good before I just pull up on them, you know what I'm saying? Hey bro, it's cool. It's cool, I'm good people, bro. Yeah, I'm good people. I'm trying to tell you, man. You wanna eat, man, you gonna come with me. You gonna eat or you gonna starve? Which one? All these cattails. But we were too late. If you're a forager, then you already know. No problems. I just want to look at you, bro. You know, y'all don't come out during the, you know, the day too much. Here. I just want to get a photo. Got a woodpecker there. We got that cardinal there. And we got all these little babies playing around over here. So hopefully I can scoop one. Oh, here we go. Hey, buddy. You cute. And they out of there. So here we got this section where it talks about unstable ground, and basically saying how this ground looks solid but water is there, hidden by layers of moss and tamarack roots, common when huge ice age mammals, excuse me, like woolly mammoths and mastodons roam. Tamarack swamps hide ground that could even trap those hairy 5,000-pound elephant relatives. And that's gonna be all this wide open space. So I don't think I'm gonna be stepping off nowhere. Might catch a sinkhole. Truly a perfect day. You got the flies and like the horse flies that are just starting to come alive, but you don't have the mosquitoes out yet. You can still kind of go off the trail. Ticks aren't super bad right now, so that's why I was harping on the fact that, like I said, the weather was so amazing, because you know, still a good amount of spring left. So yeah. All right, so we started at the nature center. We hit the deer run trail. We hit the Chickadee Trail, but we hopped off on 13 to come back to Deer Run Trail, and we are now at 2, which puts us on Wild Wing Trail. So let's get. All right, we are at marker 3. Yes, sir. Where we at, dude? A 1, 2. I'm guessing that's 3. So we can go 4, 5, or we can loop back that way. So I don't know. Let's hop on the Aspen Trail. Let's get it. So I decided to rock with the Wild Wing Trail. So if I'm not mistaken, that should take me around this loop of water here, and there should be a little island somewhere. I don't know if I'll be able to access it, but we for sure gonna try. Hey. Oh yeah, this is by far the most dense part of the trail that I've had access to by far. Yeah, thick in here. We got a red cardinal in there. Hey Cardinal, how you doing? Hey, look at this view. Look at this view. Look at it, look at that, look at that view. Shout out to Kensington Metropark, man. They did their thing out here. Yep. Look at that blue heron flying. Big old blue heron. You lean. Not as juicy as the other one I just seen. Hey. Beautiful views to round out my day. Yep. Peek through here. Yeah. What's up, big baby mother goose? Y'all good over here? I don't want no smoke, bro. I know y'all dangerous. You feel me? Y'all good? That's cool. What up, though? You good? You good? You chilling? Oh, that don't bother me, bro. I'm supposed to be scared or something? Don't run up, bro. We chilling. You feel me? I ain't no threat, bro. I'm just over here. Look, bro, I ain't even on your territory, bro. I'm on the trail, bro. You tripping. Go on back to your people over there, man. Go on about your business. You the one being nosy. I came to admire you. You over here like I'm, you know what I'm saying? What up, though? You good? You good? I'm out of food. I gave it all away. It's all gone. If I would have known y'all was over here, I would have gave y'all food. And there's that beautiful blue heron. So majestic. Got his little hairdo hanging out the back there. You see his little mohawk. And I'm guessing that's gonna be the island, which has hawks or maybe eagles. Not too sure. Adventures with Hayes, man. Come get you some. What up, though? You good? Kensington Park in Metro Detroit. Perfect 10 out of 10. Has everything you need. Fun for all the family, all walks of life. There's something for everyone. If you're in Michigan or traveling to Michigan in the Detroit area, I highly recommend adding this trail to your to-do list. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. Adventures with Hayes. Come get you some.